Being able to maneuver a client while they're not having to turn them over, but being able to access both the posterior and anterior while in one position is advantageous. Now, if I wanted to get into the hamstrings in this position, rather than me turning him over into prone, maybe I just want to work on him briefly because I've been working the anterior line, but I just want to test or assess what's going on in the posterior. Maybe I want to add a little bit of soft tissue work to help balance it out. Maybe I've already had him in prone before, but feel that I need to do just a little bit extra without having to turn him over. So you can place the leg into the area of your shoulder here. You can also place the heel on top of your shoulder if you like, whatever is more comfortable for you. I generally like to place it cupped in this area. It's more comfortable for me. My arm extended out to the front of the knee, and use that to lever it back towards your shoulder to keep that stability. You can use techniques such as fist. You can use heel of hand. You can also use forearm. If you reposition this, dive deeper in and then work in that manner. Yes, but that requires that you would pay particular attention to your posture. So applying heel of hand, either inside, use the inside arm, the outside arm. Both are options. Just be careful as you're going, using the inside arm, that as you get further down, that you're not getting into places that are rather personal. So keep it up a little bit higher and working through here. And that's how you get into easy access and when the person's into supine, into the hamstring area.